Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a power bank website. So this is the new design and very amazing design in the market for a power bank investment website. If you also want to make this kind of website, so we can make it for you. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, both links are in description. If you want to buy a script or if you want us to build the complete website for you, we will do that for you. So this is completely new in market. So in this video I'm going to give you the complete overview and demo of this website. So as you can see, it is installed on my subdomain. You can see it on the top over here, and I'm going to guide you completely about this. First of all, viewers, here you can look at its amazing login page. You can change the logo. Everything that is on the website is changeable. So be with us and watch this video till the end in order to get the complete knowledge about this. Here is the register page. So here user can register his account, user can enter his email, phone number, login, and here's the invitation code. So user can invite it any user, or it's a random invitation code. User can use this to log in, or user can log in without create account without invitation code as well. Now we already have an account, so I'm not gonna create account. So here we'll just log in with our existing details. So here we'll enter my phone number. After entering phone number, here we have to enter our password. So we'll enter password quickly. So here I have entered my details. Here user can view the password as well. Now when I click on login, so it will log us into our user panel. So this is the amazing user panel of this website. You can see these are the banners, etc. These things are changeable from admin panel, and everything is controllable, so you don't need to worry about anything. So currently these are the random banners, but you can use your own banners as well. So here you can change the logo, banners, everything that is on the website is changeable. You can see the amazing plans on the website. So these are all the investment plans that user can subscribe, and you can see daily income, total return, and validity period clearly on the plans. So you can create as many as plans from admin panel. It completely depends on you. So you can create these plans from admin panel. Now let me tell you about how user will deposit on the website. So here you can see there is a recharge option. So a user will go to it, and user can see different payment methods. So currently there are two payment methods, but you can use your own payment methods as well currently. So if I want to recharge, so I'll go to USDT or this payment. Here you can insert your QR code, so user can scan it to send you money. So you can see this is an automatic gateway where QR code will be generated after every an hour. Now if you want to do it manually, you can receive the request in manual as a manual gateway as well. So here you have to enter your amount you want to recharge, enter your account ID, account type, enter your account ID after paying on these details. So you here you can see the following USDT. After paying on this address, you have to enter your details and you have to click on submit, and your request will be sent to the admin. So you can see request has sent successfully. So when admin will approve it, the amount will be added to your account. So here you can go to deposit history to see your amount deposit. So you can see it's currently pending, but when admin will approve it, it will show you the successful deposit. Now if you want to withdraw money, similarly like you have to go to withdraw option, and similarly like deposit, first of all you have to set your bank or crypto details and you can take the withdrawal. So it's completely simple. Here user can download the app of your website. User can go to your Telegram channel for support, or if you want to add anything Telegram related, you can add it. Now if user want to subscribe to any plan, so suppose these are all the plans on the website. If user want to subscribe to any plan, just click on activate, and by clicking confirm, user can buy this plan. So in order to buy a plan, a user must need the balance and account, so user have to deposit on the website. So this is how user can invest in these plans. Now when user will go to earning section, so this is earning section. So the plan user have subscribed, they will all will be shown over here, and here user have to claim its earning. User can click on it, receive to claim its earning. And let me tell you, user can invest in multiple plans on the website, so user can claim as many as earning related to plan. So according to plan, so user can subscribe 5 plan, 10 plans, as many as plans user want to subscribe, user can subscribe in this website. Here is improvement options. So these are all the plans. Similarly, this is a separate plan page, so this user can invest in these plans. Here is a team section, so you can also give team rewards to the user. So you can see, first of all, user can see all his team, total size, commission, deposit commission, total withdrawals of its team. This is the referral link, so we can invite any person using this link, and we can also earn commission through referrals. So all the team level 1, level 2, level 3 will be shown over here, so you can view, and their earnings and deposit withdrawals will be shown over there. So in this section, first of all, in me section, so you can see your email, phone number, ID, referred by, and here is a recharge withdrawal option, same as I told you. Here's a promo code option, so you can enter promo code in order to get the discounts or on plans, or in order to get the different bonuses. You can see your total withdrawals, deposit balance, referred balance, deposit, everything will be shown over here. So here you can see your deposit history, withdrawal history, promo code history. You can set up your bank details for withdrawals, so click on bank details. So here you can set your bank details for withdrawal. So here is a security center, you can turn on 2FA, you can do email configuration. So here from app download, user can download the app of your website, as I told you. So viewers, we also make the apps as well. So if you want to make your own app, so we can make it for you. So we also make the APKs as well. So if you want to make the APK, we will do that for you. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel, and we will see how we can completely manage this website from admin panel. And viewers, if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it. So for installation or anything you need, so we will provide you complete support, so you don't need to worry about anything if you buy from us. Now let's go and let's install this. Let's see the admin panel, and let's see how we can completely manage this amazing website. So viewers, now you can see that I am on my admin login page. So this is a separate login, so we have to enter admin panel by filling these details. So here we have to enter our admin email and password in order to log into the admin panel. So here I will enter my admin email, and here I will enter my password, so I can log into the admin panel. Click on continue, so it will redirect me to the admin panel. So viewers, now you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. First of all, you can see total purchased products on the website, like people who invested in plans, how much plans people have subscribed to. So you can see overall plans subscription. Here you can see the total users on the website. You can see active bonuses. Here are some developer details, and these are some other options. Here you can see pending deposits, withdrawal, approved deposits, withdrawal. So if you use this admin panel in your laptop, it would be a better in view, but currently I'm showing you on a mobile phone, so just you have to adjust. So here you can see the notifications. You can change your admin details, password from here. You can edit your profile. So here is a salary option, just leave that option, that's not of use. Here is a plan option. From here we can create the plans on the website, so you can see all existing plans are here. Now if you want to delete any plan, you can delete it from here. So if you use it in laptop, it would be great, but here if you use it in mobile as well, so that's not the problem anymore. You can delete the plans, you can subscribe subscribe the plan, you can edit the plan from here. So you can edit the plan as well, so you have to just fill these details: name, image of the plan, price, validity, total package commission, and first refer commission. Everything will be shown over here, and you can manage them from here, and you can active or deactivate them. So if you want to create a new plan, just click on add new item and fill these details of plan, and you can create as many as plans on the website. So this is how you can create the plans on the website. Here is a VIP slider option, so from here you can change the sliders. As I told you, everything is changeable, so just delete the existing slider and click on add new, and you can add the new sliders on your home page of the website. So this is how you can change the sliders. Here you can see the mining purchase list, like the plan purchase list, you can see it over here. This is a manage bonuses option, so there will be different bonus codes, so you can create bonus codes or give bonuses to different user through it, like adding balance to user account. It's like that. Here you can manage all the customers on the website, so you can view all different customers over here. So all the IDs and referred by or pictures will be shown you over here, so you can view them. Now if you want to log in as a user, you can send them some bonus, you can do that from here. So everything you can manage, customer related thing, you can ban the customer, you can unban them, so you can do those things from here, and you can manage the customer. Here you can see the purchase record of different plans. Here in customer payments, like when user will request a deposit, the request will come here. So you can see that when we request the deposit, the request come here. So you can see all the details of deposit, the sender, and you can see the details related to that, and here you can approve that deposit or reject it. So currently I am approving it. So now amount, when I approved it, now amount will be added to user account. And here you can see all approved rejected payments. In this section here is a withdrawal section. So when customer will request a withdraw, the request will come here, same like deposit, and when we'll approve that, the request will be approved. From manage methods, we can manage the payment methods on the website. So you can see different payment methods like USDT, UST, whatever payment method. So you can see them over here. Now if you want to edit them, you can edit these payment methods. You can change image, whatever you want to change, you can change these details, method address, everything will be changeable. If you want to add new method, just enter the image name of that method, address or details like bank details, etc. You can add them here, and you can easily add a new payment methods on the website, and you can delete the existing ones. In settings option, you can set the minimum, maximum withdrawal charges, minimum charges, maximum recharge. You can add your Telegram link from here, so it's completely manageable. And viewers, we will also provide you complete support with everything. So this was all about this website. Now if you want to purchase this script from us, or if you want us to build the complete website for you where you don't have to do nothing, we will build the complete website for you. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both WhatsApp or Telegram links are in description of this video. You can check them out. You can contact us, and if you need any other design of the website, we will provide you. You can just contact us, and if you need any type of website, we will build that for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.